Hello guys, welcome to my channel The Brown Girl. I am Mansi and this is my first YouTube video. Today I have created this beautiful makeup look. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First I am using a primer and an illuminator. The primer is from Prefix and the illuminator is from Swiss Beauty. You have to blend it very nicely all over your face. Next I'm filling my brows using the Miss Rose eyebrow palette, taking the black shade of it, filling the sparks area of my brows very nicely. You have to have patience while filling your brows. Next I'm gonna apply foundation. This is from Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. Dot it all over your face. Don't forget your neck too. You have to apply it literally everywhere you need. Blending it using an kabuki brush. You can even use beauty blenders, but I'm more comfortable with brushes. Blending the neck foundation too. Next I'm using the Swiss Beauty concealer. Applying it under my eyes, on my eyelid, tip of the nose, forehead, chin and cupid bows, and around my mouth. Blending it with a brush again. As I told you, I'm more comfortable with brush. You can use a beauty blender too for this thing. Blend it properly. By the way, I'm using a highlighting concealer. Now taking the same brush, I'm gonna apply loose powder under my eyes and all the area where I have used the concealer. I'm gonna tap the powder on the skin so that the concealer absorbs the powder and sets my makeup perfectly. I have applied and left the loose powder under my eyes so that whenever the fallout happens, the eyeshadow doesn't ruin my makeup. First I took the brown eyeshadow from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. The shade is Sandalwood. Blending it on the crease using a fluffy eye brush. Next taking the color henna and applying this below the crease where I have applied the brown shade, the light brown shade. Next taking the cocoa color and applying it where I have applied the henna shade to intensify the color. It will create a very nice cut crease kind of effect on the eye. Blending it again using the sandalwood eyeshadow. Again putting the color cocoa. Now I'm gonna take the black shade and applying it on the outer V's of my eyes. Apply it and keep on blending because blending is really needed whenever you do an eye makeup. Blend and blend. I'm also applying the black shade in the inner corners so that the color pops. As I told you, I'm applying it and keep on blending it so that the color doesn't look patchy on the eyes. Now I'm taking a small angle brush and taking some concealer and creating a halo kind of a look on my eyes, on my eyelid, spreading the concealer properly. Now I'm using my ring finger and taking the shade Dubai, which is a khaki green kind of a shimmery shade, and placing it on the area where I've applied the concealer. It is creating a very beautiful halo kind of effect on my eyes. Again, blending it out with the same brush and taking the sandalwood color and blending it. You have to blend your eyeshadow very properly so that your eye makeup pops a lot. Now I took the black shade again for intensifying the black color I have applied before and again blending it. I have copied the same in other eyes. Now I'm going to dust off the fake powder which I used, and you can see that how nicely it has brightened under eyes of mine. Now taking a compact powder from Lakme, applying it all over my face and neck. Now I'm gonna coat my lower lash line. First I took the shade Henna, blending it under my eyes, and also I took the cocoa shade after, blending it under my eyes. Same in other eye. Now taking the black shade and joining the upper black shade with the lower black shade. Again I'm filling my brows using the same Miss Gold palette and taking the black shade because I thought my brows are looking a bit thin for the eye look. Next I'm applying the Lakme Insta Eyeliner. I'm not creating any wing, it's just to make your eyes a bit pop. Take your time in applying your eyeliner. Copied the same in other eye. Now I'm using the Lakme Iconic Mascara on my lashes. First I'm coating the top lashes. Apply a very good layer of mascara on your lashes. Next I'm gonna coat my lower lash line too. Now I'm gonna do contouring. For contouring I have used the brow palette which I used previously for filling my brows. Take the brown shade because that actually matches for my skin pretty well. I'm going to blend it very properly. First filling my cheekbones, then I went for putting the bronzer on my forehead, blending it with another brush. You have to blend it very nicely. Next I'm gonna contour my nose. Here I'm using the sandalwood color which I used from the rose gold palette and going to contour my nose because the contouring color before I used was really dark for my nose, so light color for my nose. Used an angled brush for applying it and then blended it with a fluffy brush. Next I'm gonna apply a peachish color of blush on my cheek. Smile and smile for applying it on your cheekbones. And this blush was having a bit of shimmer, so it is a bit shiny. मुझे blush कुछ ज़्यादा ही लग रहा था, so I blended it with the brush which I used previously. Next I'm using SCS Beauty highlighter, taking it all over my highest places of my face like cheekbones, tip of my nose, forehead, cupid bows, and also on my brows and inner corners. Took the big fluffy brush for my nose because वो बहुत बड़ा brush था. Putting it very properly and blending it so that ये एकदम bam bam ना दिखे. Putting it on my brow bones, properly blend and blend and blend. Can you see how pretty it is looking right now? And makeup is a bit more beautiful after applying the highlighter. Applied it on my cupid bows. Next, I'm using the Swiss Beauty lip liner, which is in red shade. Applying it on the borders of my lips, and I'm not overfilling my lips because I really don't like that effect, and I feel my lips are quite a big. Next, I'm using this Splash lipstick from Blue Heaven, applying it very nicely on my lips. I swear guys, if you are searching for a good lipstick, go for this one. Like, this is the best lipstick. Applying it very nicely. So yeah, here's my finished final look. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please like and comment. Do share my video. Please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Please guys, support me. This is my first YouTube video. Thank you for watching. Bye.